Excuse me. I'm sorry. Good day.
Good day?
Do you remember me?
No.
At Colors Event Center, you rescued me.
Oh, for the auditioning?
Exactly.
You were one of the participants?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you live around?
Yeah, just trying to drop off key with my sister.
Oh, nice. Please, I would like to have your number, if you don't mind. There's something very important I'd like to discuss with you. I don't know.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
I'm always at your service.
Thank you. Okay, can you?
Just give me.
All right.
All right.
Okay, I'll call you.
All right.
Check how many minutes to make now?
15 minutes. So.
Hi.
The Luva Christine is here to score. Eh? Someone I told you not to add this nonsense club in the first place. Now they're about to cut our ticket.
No insult them. I beg, no insult them. You know, say na them be the last game with our ticket. Let me pray for them, make them win.
Then pray for who? Pray for who? You think so because they call them Bayern Leverkusen, then get the liver to win? I beg. This nonsense club, they be specialists to the copy people tickets. Who can nonsense be this? I beg, pass me this cigar, make I take cool my temper, I beg.
Make a pass with it.
Pass me cigar now.
Pass some cigar now.
Make a pass. You,
what is it? Make I say
the drink wait there for your hand. You don't pass and pass.
Maybe when you pass cigar, go pass the
Pass the
drink.
drink, I beg.
Okay, give me.
Oh yeah, take.
No, I don't want.
Okay.
Give her cigar.
Pass the coke.
Hey, wait.
I don't have any business stepping into your shop. Just get me my dress and let me leave. Excuse me. Is this nonsense my dress?
Madam, na your dress, oh.
I asked you to make me a gown. Exactly the same thing you made for my friend. And you made me this nonsense and you're calling it my dress?
Hey, madam, see. I didn't really have time to make the dress like I made your friend's own, eh? But see, this one is good too. If you combo this thing with any green, a sure gown.
I don't get it. I should combo this nonsense in place of my gown? I can see you have something else you're expecting from me. And trust me, I will give it to you. Trust me.
Miss Franny, I can help you adjust the dress. Hi. If I combo am now.
Miss Franny, I can help you. I can help you to iron it.
Hi. Boy, if you combo am.
She's the DPU's wife.
You say?
She's the DPU's wife.
Hey! Tell all the laputa no more. Tell all the bomo. DPO's wife. Hey! Thank God they won. Thank God has finished me. Thank God I love Tanamo. Ah! God.
She's rude. She's illiterate. She's full of village blood. She keeps the companies of all condemned men. She appears like a troublemaker.
Thank you. All right? Thank you very much. So you may go now.
I thought you sent me to make investigation on her.
Thank you for the investigations. Thank you for the finding out. Thank you for everything. Okay? Thank you.
Brother, you need to see this new lady I'm talking about. She's so classy.
Can you just let me be? Can you just let me be? Thank you. I'm sorry I asked you to do the investigations, the finding out, whatever. But okay, I'm done. Please, can I leave now? Okay? Please. My car keys. Right? Gosh! She's dead.
Police. One of my customers came to my shop to arrest me with police. Just open.
Why does she want to arrest you?
I mistakenly saw nonsense for her. You know, these days my head is not correct. It's not there because of what Obungwanwa has been doing to me. I did not even know that this one is DPO's wife. DPO's wife. She now came to my shop with 2 police. 2.
Franca, you cannot hide in my house. Huh? You can't hide in my house.
What else do you want me to hide?
Go and look for elsewhere and hide. You can't hide in my house.
But you can't say that.
I can't say it. You can't say that.
No. I said they will arrest me now.
Go.
Do you want them to?
I said go.
Stay there. You think you have sense?
Young man, are you ready to pay for the damages incurred by your fiancé?
Officer, I am ready to pay everything. Everything. I'm ready. Let's just settle this whole thing amicably. I'm ready to pay. Whatever it is, I'll pay.
Madam, please. How much did that criminal collect from you?
Officers, my total money is 45,000 naira for my material and for workmanship.
Madam, no problem. No problem, okay? We just have to settle this amicably. I'm going to pay everything. All expenses I'll pay, all right? All right, I have 50,000 naira here. You can take the additional 5,000 naira, okay? Officer, please, can the girls just come down, okay? They're just our workers. Huh? Please.
You are too good to have this criminal as your fiancé.
Madam, please, it's okay. It's okay. Can't say that I've paid you. Please, and let them come down. Madam, you've collected your money. You've collected your money. It's okay. I shouldn't shout.
Look at that.
It's okay. Please. Come down. Come down, eh?
She calls herself
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Officers, thank you very much, eh?
criminal.
Will you just stop that, madam? Haven't I paid you? Officers, please, thank you very much, eh? Thank you.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous. Gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
What is it? What are you doing here? What do you want?
Sorry. I learned this is Jamike's house.
And so, anyway, he's busy with one of his numerous girlfriends. Wait a minute. Is your name in today's register?
Fear.
Sophia. That's what the other girl said inside.
I actually came because he bailed my apprentices, so I came to refund him.
Okay, let me have the money. Give me the money now.
45,000 naira. Please tell him I appreciate and that God will bless him very well.
He will hear. Hey, wait. I hope my brother has not slept with you yet. Because I advise you zip up and run. Because I don't know, I don't just know. As many of you girls that come to this house to sleep with him. Hey, okay, the Holy Ghost fire that will consume all of you, eh? The fire of the Holy Ghost. Hey, where are you going to? Come back. I'm not done with you yet. The Holy Ghost fire will consume all of you. I don't know what is wrong with my fellow girls, eh? You allow men to sleep with you people anyhow because of money. Come back and talk to me.
Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one not sure. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life.
She ran away. Why would she lock her shop? Why would she lock her shop? And up to this time she can't leave.
Saying no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. It's dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. It's dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one not sure. Gambling is dangerous.
She's not going away anywhere. She will stay here today. And she ran away with it. I just wish I would set my eyes on her. I will rape down this place now if you don't come out to come here. Why was she not here? She's not here by this time for what? She thinks she can dupe me. My hard-earned money. She thinks she can dupe me. If I set my eyes on her, I will do with her. In fact, let her refund all the money I gave her as upfront. She should just bring it here. I mean that she doesn't know me. I will do with her. I will do with her. Shut up your mouth and tell her to come here. I will break down this place now. Why is she coming? Why is she going to come? Why is she coming? Why will she come? She's not bad. She's not bad. You get another 10 odd will be sure banker.
Why not? 10 odd will be sure banker there. Combo forwarded it to me. I've not synthesized her, synchronized her as sure banker. Now I money the bro.
I beg. I don't want to lose this money. I get plenty debts where hang for my neck where I need to pay. So you sure?
Franca. Now maybe sure man, aka sure banker, because I know how to synthesize and arrange games to achieve 10 odds. But anything above 10 odds, you're not in my network. Count me out.
Okay. Okay. See. 50,000.
50,000? Hey! With 50,000 naira, you don't win 500,000 naira.
You talk to?
Badam! You don't hammer.
And my debts now around that 500,000. So please, let's be careful with this, please. Oh?
Don't worry. No problem. No, just go inside. Yes.
Okay, turn left. Okay. I can see you. Come straight, come straight. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
1 minute, please. Sit down.
Wow, you're not looking bad.
Thank you. You've been calling. Hope there is no problem.
Not at all. Yeah, I live with my elder brother. Although I visit him whenever I'm on break from school. I would like to introduce you to him before I go back to school. His name is Dikeh.
What did you just call him?
Dikeh. He is a successful businessman. He lives in this neighborhood. You will like him. He's a very nice person. Just that, he stayed clear from women because he believed they're all after his words. Not until I found you.
Well, I see. What makes you think I'm ready to marry someone I have never known?
He just gave me this assignment. You will like him. He's a very nice person. Please. I'm even jealous of him. Oh yes. Just that I found you as a very good woman. Any man could ever wish to have as a wife. Please marry my brother. I beg of you.
It's okay. He is a man. And might be in love with someone you may not know.
I know. But he personally gave me this assignment. Though initially he was admiring one local girl from one village like that. But thank God I found you. Please don't say no. Please marry him.
Ola, I am not stepping my foot in that shop until Miss Frank has settled with her aggrieved customers. Me, I'm not going there. Ha.
Even me. Because I am not ready to sleep in any police cell.
Me too.
And I'm not ready. In fact, it is high time I reported this whole nonsense to my fiancé.
I don't understand. What kind of apprenticeship is this? It's as if my parents wasted their money in registering me in that place. Do you know since I started working in that place, I've not learned one thing. One thing, I don't even know how to cut. I don't even know anything. Hey, I'm tired though.
Me, thank God though. Thank God I attended the fashion school before coming to that place.
Your own is better.
If not my fiancé that even said I should try all this roadside local apprenticeship before opening my own shop for me, what will I be doing in that kind of place? What will I be doing there? And my dear, as it stands now, anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
Police people can come back again.
Do you understand?
If not for Jamike, we would have been in police custody by now. Hope you know that.
So I'm not going back there. Me, I'm not going on. Let's just go to your house and chill, you know. When it's 5 o'clock, I can just
to my house?
Yes, now.
Wow. My fiance is at home. I don't want him to know that I did not go to shop today. Let's go to your house now. Was that not why I came to you? Let's go to your own house.
No, I'm not sure because my mother can come back at anything. You know her now. I go wine. I cannot stand that.
So where do we go now?
I don't know.
Hey, Mama Nkechi's place now. That place we used to drink soya milk and
Wait.
is that place okay? Is it going to be safe? Because I don't want anybody to see us.
See us here. Go, come, let's go to that place.
Wait. Is that place okay?
Of course, now we'll just see.
Because I don't want anybody to...
Just warn her. Just warn her. Tell her what I said. She wants to hear her. She wants to know what I can do, Abi. She wants to know what I can do. Just give her... Next time I come to this shop, this time I'm hitting this stuff, if Franny does not give me my money, she thinks I'm that Alice of that those years before. I will deal with her. I will deal. Tell her to drop my money, oh. Tell her to drop my money, oh. Tell her to drop my money.
This girl, Franca or whatever she calls herself, she thinks she can dupe me. She can dupe me just like that and go away with my hard-earned money. Oh God, she's a joker. I will deal with her. I will deal with her. She doesn't know me.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous.
Martina, you're welcome. You're welcome to my house.
My most pleasure.
I went to your sister's shop. The shop was closed.
Well, it's not my sister's shop. It is my shop.
You know yourselves before?
Yes. Yes, we do. Yes. Actually, she's the sister to the girl I told you about.
Really?
Yeah.
Then I'm consolidating your friendship into a marital union. Brother, that's the classy lady I was telling you about.
So, tell me, why is she always landing herself in one problem to another?
My dear, that is how she makes trouble in the village. Imagine a lady of her age who's still bedwet. In a bed. I thought she would change when I bring her to the city and live more responsible life.
Well, the truth is that I don't know why I'm just so fond of your sister. So tell me, where is she now? Yeah.
Unless you want to be changing bed every week. She ran away, perhaps from police trace.
So, brother, at least you cannot believe the outcome of my investigation.
Will you just shut up, nigga? Just shut up. And both of you just excuse me. You're welcome to my house once again. You're welcome.
You don't kill me. What be this now? Come on, you expect to see so? Hey! One a cut, one a cut, you put her for chicken. You don't see what they see here. Look at all locomotive Moscow don't mess up. Hey! Just one goal. One goal make I chop my 500,000 she come. Now locomotive Moscow don't feel score. What's be this now? Come on, you mess up. What's be this now? One a cut, just one goal. Make I chop 500 she come. Now you don't feel score. The Christ God punish you, papa.
But locomotive Moscow is supposed to be a short game.
It's a short game.
Hey!
Beat 1.19 other two.
Me will be combo with the combined things. Naija bet must have handed this ever. I'm telling you the truth.
Combo, you not comb this one well at all. Not just talk.
I don't tell him. What do you say?
Don't meet the combo before. Don't meet the combine. Now make una relax.
Hey! So, Naija bets, When I just travel all the way from Nigeria, When I pass Germany, when I pass France, when I pass Spain, when I pass Sweden, when I just go for Russia, go cut my ticket.
Wetin be this now? One goal I cut, one I cut. In fact, these people, they be nothing but www.com. worldwidewitches.com.
.com. That one now, promote and compound. Because they monitor us from compound to compound to cut our tickets.
Aye, Naija bet una don bad me gorimapa with sharp bottle. I wake up for morning and I see my afro. My afro don lost. How you wanna cut? What? Just one goal. Make I chop 500,000. Make come una no fit score. If na here say I play locomotive mosque again, make I comot cloth bath.
Now you are talking. In fact, we no go play am again. Naija bet. Hi. We no go play am again.
We.
You
No,
go play again?
we.
I say we no go play again.
The world is not a bed of roses. Oh, hard work pays. Everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless your hard work. If you're lazy, He got you at the short cut.
Franca. I don't understand. This one you always sleep till late. And when I return from work, you're still here sleeping. Have you stopped going to work? Excuse me?
I had to sell off my machines so that I can offset my debts and refund my apprentices.
You can't be serious. Good. Jamaica is a done deal for me. I sure know what is next for you. And you haven't told me all this while.
My sister. Which one do I want to tell you? Eh? Is it about Omungwangwa? Or about 10 odd? Or about a sure game? Sure one. The later became a terrible match fixing. Which one do you want me to say? You could just leave me.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous.
I'm so sorry she did not let you know about it. My fiancé bought everything off from her. This shop is now in my name.
So you don't have a phone number and you don't have her address?
She does not have a phone. Yes. As for her address, I guess she should be in the village by now.
Village? God. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me just go inside.
My daughter, that was what happened.
Hi.
I tried to call you, but your number was not reachable. I called Martina. Martina could not pick my call. Not be on our com. Not be on our com. Mama,
Chero, so Priska, one banshee of all people, could do this to me. Chai, I don't blame her. So after I taught her how to sew very well, she now abandoned my shop, closed it down, took my apprentices to open a new shop, Nwokoye. No problem. Come and show me where that shop is. You have to see my body. Nne, Bajo. Cool down. Koporonda. See, I just thank God that all the equipment you left in that shop before traveling are still intact. Just leave them, let them go. Just like that. Koporofa. Nwokoye, go come. Okay, Kwezi. You see, Koporofa. Okay. No problem. No problem. The equipment's in the shop. I will sell some. And then go back to the city with the remaining ones. Anyway, Mama, how much is my total money on you? My own money. 25 pa. 25,000. Oh yeah, 25,000. Which come? Yes. So. Okay, no problem. I can manage that to the city. Mama, see, you are not looking good at all on that city. I rather get my bar. You are not looking good at all. So I will suggest you just sit back in this village. Mama, listen. It's not what you think. It's not what you think at all. See, you see that city, is a place of hustling and bustling. No time to waste. Every second and every minute is work. No choice but to work. You want to go? See, plenty customers. 247, I'm attending to customers. So that is why it looks as if I'm stressed. But you know, no stress, no money. Mama, you see city. Sure game, but you have to shine your eye. So city, hey, that's your game, Mama. City, sure game. It's too much work and too much. So it's all about work. If you know Olisa, I'm gonna get down. Ezioku. Olisa, I'm gonna go down. Ezioku. Olisa, I'm gonna go down.
Dikeh, I would like you to make this dress for me.
Okay.
I don't know when can it be ready?
Chai, and it's a fine material.
Yeah, no.
Don't worry. I will do it for you.
When will it be ready?
Next weekend will be fine.
Next weekend.
You don't trust me. I know what will fit you now, Don't worry. Okay. I will do it.
Oh, Priska, be. Oh, Priska! You are such an ingrate. Sister, So after everything I did for you, you had the guts to betray me, Nwokoye.
Betray you, Kwa? Sister, which one is betray you?
You can pretend for all I care. You think Mama will not tell me? Mama told me how you wrecked my shop. How you collected all my apprentices and then opened your own shop. You are wicked.
Sister, God forbid that I will betray you. It was Mama that drained your shop, which is the reason why I'm working under Norma now. It's not me.
No matter what you do, don't even use that your heartless tongue to call Mama's name. Don't lie against Mama. Do you hear me?
Sister, I don't know what to do or say for me to prove my claims right now. But you know what? Just follow me. Follow me so that you'll be seeing everything. It will be happening in your eyes. Sister, follow me. Stop talking. I will follow you. Sister, it's not a too much talk. Follow me. You will see it. It will be happening in your eyes.
Say no to gambling. It's a dangerous addiction.
They say the ones with first names are wicked.
But the black ones are Madrid go lose just like Coco. It's dangerous.
Thunder go fire you here. Thunder go fire you here. It will not leave me now. I asked you to play under 2.5. You went and play for 2.5. You don't crazy? I mean, they're mad.
Now, see, I no go pay for this ticket. I no go pay. He sick, I call here, I call here. He sick, I play.
See, madam, it's too early for this problem now. Eh? She see what we no give play game for you. You don't know why they print out everything. We no talk. Now, don't put that page now to pay come wahala. You go pay me, you no go work like that.
When you and Man City combine their thunders and strike you. Yeah, come collect your money now. No, come collect.
Give me your car face to post.
See this boy, yo. I go with you. Hey, I go with you here.
Never seen it.
You go back home, you want fight?
Oh, yes, you go fight him. You go fight him.
This is exactly what drained your shop.
Hey, see, I go kill somebody. You want fight, eh? Hey.
So, you dey play Naija bet? Hey, sister, this is what drained your shop. From morning till night, Mama is here. She sold all your sewing machine to bet under Real Madrid versus Arsenal. That is it, oh. From morning till night, Mama is here. Every time,
Hey, you never be there. But there, I want to finish you now. The craze. That is why I said, now you be the witch when they cut all my tickets. Give me out top. You are the witch cutting all my tickets.
Come on, money now.
So, Mama, you are gambling. Me, Butuo one ne. See, now the condition of this continent, they push everybody to the street. So your mother has to hustle, no verse in there. Their way. Leave me. You not gonna leave me. You don't see my daughters here.
Who the help?
You not gonna leave me.
Who the help?
You not gonna leave me. Come on, leave me. See, I asked this native fowl to play under 2.5 for me. He went and played it over. A big kid man over 2.5.
So why you have to wait till the game finish playing before talking?
See, I don't keep us in here. I will smash you. Hey, Franca, go get coffin. Go get coffin. Somebody will die now.
How much is she owing you people?
I want 50.
Just now, 150 naira. Just 150. That is why this boy is embarrassing himself. Because pay.
Money first.
Leave me.
See the money first.
Yeah, wait. Leave me. Where? Leave me.
Give me change.
Hey! Please, Mama, how can you involve yourself in sports betting when I am in the city counseling other people with that problem to stop betting, to stop gambling, not knowing that my own mother is the Ejechogo, the Baba, the main Mama Naija bet in the village. Hi! Jesus, my daughter, you won't understand. Now check this. Just check this ticket. Check it now. It's just remaining one goal for this 78,000 naira to enter. Don't tell her I could not score for me. They even gave them opportunity of penalty. Yet they couldn't score ordinary one goal to complete my 1.5. Check it now, Mama. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself, Mama? Eh? Why did you disgrace this family? Eh? Gambling is for losers. Gambling is for condemned people who go about chasing shadows. Now look at what you have done to my business. Everything I left in your custody just vanished into thin air. Blame it on Man U. Blame it on Man U. I mean, how can ordinary Brighton, who just came out of relegation, beat a whole Red Devils? Red Devils. They beat them in the early part of the Premier League seasons. Just check it now. Hi. Okay, look at this. Just check this one. Check it now. Eh? Full-time draw. Full-time draw. 100 naira to win 1.2 million. 1.2 million. In answer your name. In answer your name. You see that referee? That referee, it will never be well with him. After 6 minutes of added time, he refused to end the match. Just imagine that. Eh? He refused to end the match until Baka Akutoma 1.2 million. Now check it now. Just check it. Is that not match fixing? Mama, whether match fixing or match arrangement, I don't care. Just look at you. See the way your mouth is just... It's very obvious that you are not even feeling any atom of remorse for wrecking my business. Okay? You're not feeling any remorse. No, I'm feeling remorse. Oh. Not true, I'm feeling remorse. That's why I'm hustling all these tickets now. Eh? By the time any of my game enters, I promise you, I will build a fashion design center for you. Cool down, though. Mama, stop deceiving yourself. Stop dreaming. Wake up, Mama. Gambling is not good for anybody. It will never do you any good. In fact, the earlier you run away from it, the better for you. Else, you will wake up one morning and realize that you have used yourself to bet. Why? You don't understand anything. Just wait until that time. You will know that your mother here, Ukuchi, I'm a sure odd. My luck, na follow come. Hey, my luck, na follow come. Just wait. Me, na sure odd though. Let me tell you. Just cool down. Cool down, Franca. You will understand this later.
I had to offset all her debts, sell the things in the shop, and send her back to the village.
Martina, please, can you go and get her back? Okay? Get her back. I'll get her another business. Just go and bring her back. I'll get some other business for her to do. Nobody knows. She might be good in trading. She might do well in trading. I'm telling you.
That would be the worst. She will squander the capital on Naija bets.
Martina, wait. Are you trying to tell me that she's one of those millions of Nigerians under this bondage of sporting bets?
She is the queen of Naija bets.
Hey! God!
It's okay.
She plays game.
It's okay. I understand how you feel.
You don't understand how I feel. You truly don't understand.
But it's all for your own good.
Why would she be playing that?
You never can tell what God is saving you from.
That's exactly what I'm trying to save myself from. Martina, are you trying to tell me that she do play Naija bet? Huh?
Oh, Asena! Wait to be this now. Hi! If I had known, I would have gone with the 18,000 naira I won this morning. Hi! One mind was telling me, when me play on. The other man come and say, wah. When me wah, I didn't listen. Nkwechiri, now my 18,000 naira is gone. Even the 4,000 naira that is my own personal money is gone. Everything. Hi. I am sure there's a spirit behind Obungwangwa. Yes, there is a spirit behind that thing. There was me. Now all my goods are gone. My 2 bags of yam. My clothes. What did I go do? Anyway, man no die. Man no rotten. Somehow, something must kill a man. This time around, my chickens. I will sell all my chickens and book a show game. Then it will give me a poultry. Yes, oh. Yes. A gambler has no choice. Huh? Modinaka, okay, thank you. What is it?
I heard Franca is back from the city.
Yeah?
Oh, thank you. I was about going to your house to...
Hey, Modinaka, come. Check out, the cash here.
Now.
See, actually, I sent her to Emeka to buy me something. You know now. But I can help you deliver the message to her. Yeah. Yes, unless you don't want to get it sharp.
Why? Oh, that would be very nice of you. Thank you very much. Here's the cloth.
Okay. With me, the message is well delivered. Don't forget to send the message to me.
Don't worry, immediately she finishes, she will bring it to you.
Don't forget to deliver.
Udo, the Udo. One Udo. It's my daughter now. All right. Bye-bye. Hey! Look at it here. Chai! Again. Huh? One man. Akachukudi. Akachukudi here. Hey! Again, Difa. This must be a miracle money. Miracle money. Hey, Jebem, Naija bet, we are just starting. He that fights and runs away shall come back to fight another day. Naija bet, hey, here I come. Naija bet, we got one return match. One day, Kaije Barana. Kaije Barana. Hey, I'll get it deeper.
It's a dangerous addiction.
Biko. Hi. See, I say now, please, just one go. The matter is settled. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Hey! Hey! I said I could oh! Hey! What have I done to this Asena? What again now? Hey! After all the several beggings. Hi! Anyway, oh boy, play me another game. Play me a beg.
No. Play Everton from me to win home, to win.
Play Oxford for me, the other side, to win.
Hey, Oga, what's you there? They check me out. Eh? I don't call that to make I cannot hear. Tom that go fire you here.
I don't hear him. I don't hear him.
Call my games today here. Man City Burnley, no goal. Chelsea Bournemouth, home 2 goals. Liverpool Swansea, over 2.5. Yes. Then play all the big odds. 2 to come. 1-1 pa. They hear me so.
Play the other side for me, Oxford, to win.
Hey, Oga, no doll for Malaysia here. You dey dull, I beg, you no dey for this game, oh. Place like this, no be for person like you, oh. Better come out, oh. Hey, play me correct score for number 8. Systems based, you dey hear? Yeah. Then use use number 6, 1.5. Yay.
Play Oxford for me, the other side.
Hey! Oh my goodness!
Liverpool are caught, warrior! Oh! Look at how all my games play set to Liverpool. And I played Liverpool for all my tickets. Can you name me here? Who is bewitching me? Look at how the 2009 project just vanished. Now waiting now. Liverpool now waiting. Ooh. Anyway, something must kill a man. Hey guy, play me another game.
Yes. 1, 5, 10 over 2.5. Did they hear me so? 1-1 ba. I beg. Hold this clothes. After we counterbalance. Yes.
What if this rubbish now, eh? You don't come again, Abi. Shall I tell you if you don't get money? Don't they play game for my terminal? If I go so, I don't like all these. I don't like all these things.
Bia, the onion bua. I go finish you here, oh. Take your time, oh. See, I'm suspecting you, oh. I am suspecting as the source of my bad luck for this place, oh. Do you know how much I got? Forgive me. Do you know how much I got that rapper? Don't provoke me, I debate, so don't provoke me here. Play my game. Hey, Franca. Franca, weather not good though. This weather is not bright. Franca, can you give it here? I mean, when are you leaving to the city? Franca, that your son is too far. Oh. It's very, very far. You are leaving for the city first thing tomorrow morning. This village is no longer safe for you. Oh. It's not safe.
How?
You don't have to ask me that question, Franca. You are leaving for the city first thing tomorrow morning. In Amia, some people got paid what you see here. One day, wow. You are confusing me the more. See, Franca, just do as I've said. This village is no longer safe for you. I'm not comfortable seeing you here anymore. You don't hear me, so you better leave, oh. You better leave. Wah. Okay. I think about it. You don't need to think about anything. See, wah. Hey, wah. Franca, wah. There, yeah. Franca, wah. Franca, wah here. Think about. Think waiting. Leave this. Let's go. Go again. Go pack your. Mama, give me the food. Let me finish. Food. Let me finish the food. I said, Franca, wah here, oh. People can pay one listen at this village, oh. That's I not tell you. Franca, give me my food. Franca, you not chop where you from? Give me my food. Franca, hey, Oga, as you can see, the land is already fenced, and my late husband was building before he died. Okay. So you have nothing to lose in this land. So it's very big land, though. Very, very big.
I see.
So you have to put something now. The amount you are calling is too small for the land, But
I know in this country there's no money. So some of us that don't buy land now, we always try to make you guys happy. I will make up 200,000 naira.
Hey, Mbano, open.
Mama. Hi. So it is true you want to sell the only land Papa left for us, so you can use the money to go and play Naija bet or here? Yeah? Mama?
Franca, why here? Yeah? Franca still why here?
He's a lie.
Franca, you want to spoil my business for me? This man wants to pay sharp.
I'm a boge.
See, Mr. Man, this land is not for sale. So get out.
Shut up there. What do you know about land?
Joya, they're okay. So if somebody wants to sell land for you, you don't do hoy. Look at what she's wearing. Eh? You will know that the land is not genuine. What's the land now?
Madam.
Oga, don't mind these people. See, Franca, just understand it. Eh? If we sell this portion of land now, it is our opportunity to make money. Our opportunity to become rich. They say Naija bet always profit those who play it with big money. That is why only these people, the politicians, the millionaires, they are only people that are winning it. Because they play a small odd with big amount of money.
Hi, Mama.
Just check it.
Mama, just close your mouth. That's the guy in
Am I paying or not?
Say what? Mr. Man, get out from here.
Oga, you have already paid.
Don't call me back. I'm leaving.
Go now.
I will leave.
Oga, don't go.
Madam.
Awana. Say Awana.
Madam, you are a suspect. I don't trust you.
Oga. Franca, this is Franca, check. Don't allow that man to go. Check out my mathematics. By the time we sell this plot of land, I use the money to play 2 odds. The money will double. We use the money again to play 2 odds. It will double again. We play, it will keep doubling, multiplying, until we become multi-millionaires. Can't you check it?
Mama, I only have 2 things to tell you. 1, you are not in a position to tell me anything about mathematics because I saw your standard 6 result. That will do math. 2, Mama, next time you want to sell land, don't dress like this. Because everybody that sees you knows that the land is not genuine. If not maybe that man, I for that arrest you first.
Franca.
Mama, don't try that nonsense again.
Franca, you before my hand, though. Wait. Oga, come. This is the best way to play Naija bet. Just play the 1 month running tickets. Yes, only top 4 clubs in the whole tournament. English Premiership, Spanish La Liga, German Bundesliga, Italy Serie A, France Ligue 1, Turkey Super League, and the Baba itself. Hey, man. Hey, UEFA Champions League. Oh, yes. Turkey. That people na fuck up. Turkey na fuck up. fit book. I will not book. Bah. Then you enter Naija and play home straight win. Because away can never win in Naija. No. Fatra yaya, apiawa referee yisi. Abuwa yisi, obu wound. Referee ge bu wound na Naija now. Hey, mbano. Okay. Let me put this ticket inside my Bible and see how Naija Bet can cut this game again. They never burn them. They never burn them. But which book of the Bible is most powerful? Exodus. Bah. They will cut and run away. Exodus no popo now. They will cut and run. Chronicle. Mbano. Then kabo monna. Fabo monna now. Leviticus. No, they will cut. Yes! Psalms. Yes, so.
I saw Franca going back to the city now, and she demands that you not give her the money and the clothes, which I asked you to give her. Come outside now. Oh, do you think I cannot come inside there? Oh, you think I cannot come inside there and drag you out, yeah? I'm not that well.
Papa, I hope so not be me this girl they call me. Now waiting! Why did they shout they follow me? Waiting!
I wait for you. Did you forget your ears at home?
Huh?
Please come and patch my clothes for me.
You say? You say waiting? Hey! I can see you need thunder in your life. Better thunder. And today will be Sunday, I will make out my prayer points. But Amadioha, they are on public holidays. So I go just ask Amadioha to go Ogun State, go meet Shongo, make both of them combine thunder and lightning to fire your head there, you the craze. So wait, you let me finish. I do you like Obioma. In fact, now thunder from the hottest part of Africa, now you go hammer your head, you the craze.
You wear at all? You wear? What is that you're carrying on your head? What is it called? Is it not Duma machine? A tailor who hawks her sewing business around. What is it called? Is it not Onyo Biama? May that same thunder crush into pieces.
Hi! I don't die. Chai! Naija Bet. Hi! Naija Bet has turned me from fashion designer to tailor. From tailor to Duma. From Duma to now Obioma. For the face of this okay Belgium. Hey! I don't blame you. Not be your fault. Not be your fault at all, Just cool down, they go your way, not be your fault. But that one no mean say thunder no go still fire you.
To fire you back.
And no fear. Get away from there. Big girl, you dey look for Obioma. Come on there. See your face like expired 10 odd. See, if you be gay, you go dey cut anyhow. Big girl, still you dey look for Obioma. Get away from there and no fear Chineke Koroko. Get away! Now your papa be Obioma, go find your papa to patch your nyash for you there. You dey craze. God punish you. After all. Chai, Naija Bet. God go punish you too.
Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one not sure. Gambling
Oh, Matu. Matu, how far now? Open gates.
Franca, what are you doing in my house?
I'm back now. I took night bus. You know that Oberoche is cheaper with night bus. So I'm back.
You have not answered my question, young lady. What are you doing here?
Haba. I'm back now. I only went to the village to get my sewing machine. And now I am back to play return match against the city. So I don't understand all these jam questions you're asking me. Open gates now.
What are you doing in my house?
Jesus. Wait. It is serious. Mama, now. We live together here.
That was then. For now, no vacancy. I have had enough of the shame and disgrace you brought upon me. Just because I brought you to the city to make life better for you.
Hey, Cheru.
This house can no longer contain you and me. Period.
Hey, Mate, come first now. Jesus, Mate, I beg now. Come now, see, Naija is now history in my history. Come now, Mate, we talk. Hey, Mate. Hey, Jesus, what is this? Hey, what is happening? Hey, they were you? That preacher in the bus. That preacher said that I will have a dose of double ration of blessing this time around. And I even sow seed with the change they gave me after I bought gala. Now this one is double dose of bad luck. Early morning bad luck. Hi, I reject it. Marty! Hey. Backyard door.
Sister, work hard, brother. What will be, oh. No shortcut to success, work hard. The world is not a bed of roses, oh. Hard work pays, everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless your hard work. If you're lazy, you got your the shortcut. Work hard, sister. Work hard, brother.
Brother.
Naka, I wish you safe journey, okay? And make sure you come back with good grades.
I will. Thank you. Also, take good care of yourself. And please, make sure you feast your wedding day before I come back from school. And get hold of Martina for me. Before another man robs you off from that treasure, please.
Naka, the bus is waiting for you. Safe journey. Just go into the bus.
Okay, I will.
Bye.
Bye, love you.
No to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous. Gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous. due to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
They should. They decided to respect themselves outside there, so they are there resting.
No. You can actually come in with your shoes now.
Franca, as a matter of fact, we always enjoy walking on our bare feet.
Yes, he's right.
Yes.